Hey guys, I actually thought about doing another tutorial on a video on how to actually make your video brighter in Davinci Resolve. This is Davinci Resolve right here, and yeah. I already got a video up and running because I don't want you to feel bored waiting, so I just got a video up. So yeah. So the first thing you do is like when you get a video in the timeline, if it looks a bit dark here, let me move that. If it looks a bit dark here, and all you do is not that as well. So yeah, you actually do that. Now the video looks a bit brighter. Okay. So you see shaded right here, that means shadows. So you up the shadows, then you see highlights. You change that as well to make the video crisp or brighter. You can see my webcam up there, it's like brighten up and down. So after you've done that, you go back to the video, see how it runs, and you can see it's much more brighter. I'll show you in full screen if I can. I can't see it. Oh, never mind. I don't know where it is. I'm actually playing DayZ right now. That's what you're looking at right now. But yeah. Okay, here's a bit. Click that. Okay. That's how dark it normally gets. But yeah. But I'll show you how it really looks without the dark. This is what it looks like with dark, but when you brighten it up, it makes a big difference. So you up the shadows, and you can make it much more brighter, but yeah. Yep. Okay. That's how you make a video brighter, guys, if you want to do that for your video with Davinci Resolve. So yeah. That's all you can do, and yeah. Thanks for watching, and I hope you all enjoyed my tutorial on how to actually make your video brighter in Davinci Resolve. So yeah. Sorry if I am a bit but I just woken up, I'm still tired, so yeah. But I tried to edit some of this, and see you all later.